Hey guys, what's going on? Jimmy, the general expert here on YouTube. Today I'm bringing you the Scosche MagicMount. Now this MagicMount is a magnetic mount for mobile devices. You can see here on the box, it is actually a suction cup with a magnet system that allows you to either suction cup to a textured surface like your dashboard or your window. Upon opening the front cover, you can see there is a picture showing where to place the metal backplate. They call it the magic plate. All right, so let's go ahead and open this box. And here is the actual device. You can see it's pretty small. It looks good. Here's the suction cup area. There is a protective piece of plastic on it right now. And then I guess once you place it on whatever surface, you're gonna press this down, which is gonna create the suction. And then you have an adjustable neck here. So you can really place this thing like that on your window and adjust it to whatever orientation you want your cell phone to be. Or you can place it on a dash or something like that and again, adjust it and then tighten it back down with the nut here. Now I do have to admit, I've used one of these for an iPad that goes onto a headrest mount for my daughter, and that thing worked unbelievably well, which led me to purchase this item on Amazon. And I will have a link to this down in the description below this video. And one thing that's cool is it comes with two backplates. So just like the one that I had bought for my iPad, it came with a big magic plate and also with a smaller magic plate. And they also give you this piece of plastic to go in between the backplate and your phone in case you are worried about the sticky stuff ruining your phone. If you can read that, it says, for direct to phone metal plate application. If desired, add this sticker directly to the phone before the metal plate to assist plate removal in the future. So I'm going to go ahead and take the case off of my phone, and you can see here's the back of my phone, and I do have a metal portion of the phone here, but I'm not worried about it. I think that I'm going to be able to get that plate off just fine, and then maybe use a little bit of rubbing alcohol or something to remove any excess. But I imagine I'm just leaving that plate on here because I'm always going to want one of these Scosche MagicMount systems. Okay, so I went ahead and cleaned up the back of my phone here using an alcohol pad, and I just want to show you the different sizes of the back plate. So there's one. And what's so great about this system is you can put your case right back on your phone and not even notice that that plate's on there. Here's the larger one, which is pretty big. So you can place it one of two ways. You can place it vertically like this, or horizontally if your phone would support it. I'd imagine you have to have a pretty big phone like mine in order to be able to put it horizontally like this. I'm going to go ahead and start with the smaller one. So the first thing you're going to want to do is peel off the sticky back plate there. And I think I'm going to place this one horizontally. There. So that's good. It's on there. That adhesive is pretty strong. So there you go. You can see my handiwork there, and we'll go ahead and show you right here the process of how this thing works because it's pretty sweet. So there, my phone's stuck right to it, and it is strong, guys. I mean, it is very strong. Let's do it again. Like very strong. That'll hold a cell phone no problem at all. Obviously with the bigger plate, you're gonna have even more of a secure attachment, but this one works perfect. All right guys, so we're gonna go ahead and put this case back on. All right, there you can see the case is on the phone, and there is absolutely no indication of anything stuck to the back of my phone. You'd never even know, which is what I like so much about this system. Now I just want to show you what the sticky pad, suction cup pad looks like on the back of the actual device itself. And you can see it's a very, very sticky, gummy sort of surface. And which I think this is how it obviously is able to stick to a textured surface like your dashboard. I don't know if this would necessarily leave a residue,
but I think we've all seen products like this before where maybe it's a flat panel that you stick to somewhere in your car and it sticks so much that your cell phone will actually stick to it. But this is sort of the same idea. However, this also includes a suction cup system, which I think is going to work extremely well. All right, guys, so I'm going to go ahead and install this on my front windshield. And it is so sticky, man. You just press it in there and it sticks. And then on the back of the unit, you can see you have this little arm here. And what you're going to do with that arm is press this in there and then press that arm down, and boom, that thing is on there like super glue. I mean, that thing is really stuck on there. I can't even budge it. Again, just to show you this thing in action, you can see my case is on, and there you go. Phone is stuck, and I do have to say it definitely is a little bit lighter of a strength because of the case in between the metal plate and the suction cup, but I don't think that it's going to be bad. I think it's going to work just fine. It is still pretty magnetic, pretty strong system. So you just have to make sure you put it pretty much where the plate is, and then obviously you're going to want to adjust the system wherever you want your phone to be facing. So I need to throw out there that I'm not entirely sure if this is completely legal to place something like this on your front windshield in front of where you're driving. Make sure you check with your local and state laws with this. This is just the way I'm doing it to show you how to use this product. Do not take my advice on the placement of this thing. That's it, guys. We have a new system that works pretty darn good to secure our phone when we get in the car. I like to be able to see and use my Google Maps and navigation, and I like to be able to do it with somewhat of a heads-up display, so I don't have to be looking down where my phone would be in the center console or something like that. This is going to allow me to never really have to take my eyes off the road in order to see my navigation and where it's telling me to go, and that is the main reason why I bought this system. Alright guys, if you like this video with this thing here, make sure to give me a thumbs up, hit subscribe, hit that little bell icon so you're notified the next time I make an upload, and also comment below. I love to read your guys' comments. Please also make sure to check the description below this video for links and any other information. Alright guys, Jimmy here with the General Expert signing out. Peace.